Sunshine Mix Number 4 with Mycorrhizae is our top-selling professional quality lightweight growing medium with good porosity and water-holding ability. Growers choose this high-performing all-purpose cultivation mix for raising all types of indoor or outdoor container crops. Sunshine Mix Number 4 with Mycorrhizae is a fast-draining potting mix that contains premium Canadian sphagnum peat moss enriched with SunGrow's proprietary blend of 7 endomycorrhizae, which may help increase nutrient and water uptake in a wide variety of plants. This product also contains extra perlite for amplified root aeration, in addition to resilience, our trade name for silicon, a beneficial plant substance. Plants grown with resilience already in the mix may result in improved trichome development, earlier flowering, better root growth, improved resistance to wilting, increased stem diameter, and quicker recovery from infrequent watering. We conveniently sell this growing mix in compressed 3 cubic foot and 3.8 cubic foot bales that expand up to 2 times their volume, making them easy to transport and store. Sunshine Mix Number 4 with Mycorrhizae. Consistent cultivation mixes for extreme performance. SunGrow, our expertise is growing.